Hey kindergartners, happy new week of learning. It is Monday today, and this is our last week learning about nonfiction books. So we are coming to an end of this reading unit. So really enjoy those books because next week we're going to be starting a really fun reading unit. But I want to talk to you guys today about nonfiction books, and I want to talk to you guys about how sometimes you can have a nonfiction book that's about a topic, and you can find another nonfiction book about the same topic, and they can be completely different books. So this might be hard to do at home because you might not have that many nonfiction books, but you can use our resources like Brain Pop Jr. or Bookflix, Epic, Raz Kids is another one, but you can research and try to find some online if you don't have any at home. But I want you to find two nonfiction books about the same topic that are different. And I have actually three right now. I have three right here. I have one called Seeds. I have one called Seed to Plant, which I read this week already for the read aloud. So if you haven't gotten to that yet, it's in there. So that's one. And then I also have this one by Gail Gibbons, From Seed to Plant. And all three of these books are nonfiction books. They are all, some of them are actually by the same author, and some of them are by different authors, but they're all on the topic of seeds. And I want to show you guys a little game that I like to play called Same and Different. And when I read about a topic and I want to learn more about it, a lot of the times I will read lots of different books on that topic, just to make sure that I have all the information that I can possibly gather. And there's other ways to learn about topics too. You could also watch a nonfiction movie. They're often called documentaries, but there's learning opportunities too by video, not just by books. But we want to really focus on our books. So let's take a look at these books. So I'm actually going to put this one down, and we're just going to focus on these two books. And you know they both are on the topic of seeds turning into plants. So that's something that they're the same. Do you notice anything that's the same or different? What we're doing right now is called comparing. We are comparing two different books. We know they are about the same topic. They are different authors. And one thing that I notice is that this book looks like the pictures are illustrated, and this book has real photographs. Okay, so I'm going to just look through this Gail Gibbons book. I think you can see real well there. And I'm noticing most plants make seeds. A seed contains the beginning of a new plant. I'm noticing labels. Okay, seeds are different shapes, sizes, and colors. All seeds grow into the same kind of plant that made them. So if it's a sunflower, it grows a sunflower. If it was an oak tree seed, it grows an oak tree. So I'm noticing that the illustrations are definitely not photographs. Okay, when I read this book, I notice all the pages have photographs. Okay, so I want you to start noticing and comparing two different nonfiction books. Some questions and prompts you can use to ask yourself and help you compare books are, our books are both about, so what are the books both about? I would say seeds. But the pages are different, okay, or the pictures are different. My pages go like this. The plant grows down. The plant grows up. The plant grows and grows. It grows down and it grows up. And in this book, the pages, it's different on each page. When the fruit or pod ripens, it breaks open. The seeds are ready to become new plants. There's more than one sentence on the pages in this story. Okay, what's the same? What's different? Okay, you might ask, does your book have photo captions? Let me look at this book. You know what? It doesn't have captions, but it does have labels. Does your book have labels? Let me look. No labels. It just has those little captions. Interesting. Does your book have any text features, like maybe a glossary or title page? My book does not have a glossary. This one doesn't. Let me see if this one does. No, it doesn't either. Interesting. How does your book end? Does it have a special ending? This book kind of ends with just a basic summary. Each seed can glow and interpret. This book actually ends like it has a project you can do. That's cool. Let me see the very last page. Many of the foods people eat are seeds, fruits, and pods. They are full of nutrition, vitamins, minerals, and they are tasty too. So kind of a creative ending, but so that's different. But anyways, guys, I could go on and on forever comparing these two books. Your job today is to find 2 nonfiction books, and I want you to compare them. You can play the game, what's the same and what's different. Tomorrow, you're going to be doing the exact same thing. So starting to notice that books are similar and they have differences, and comparing your 2 books and noticing what's the same and what is different. Have fun, friends. Bye.